Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Filtrete Smart Air Filter Control app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Filtrete Smart is a home air quality and filter management app designed to work with Filtrete Smart air filters that contain built-in sensors. The app monitors filter usage, indoor air quality trends, and environmental conditions, helping homeowners know exactly when their filter needs replacement instead of guessing. It's available on both iOS and Android and works with multiple Filtrete Smart Filter models. The app's main feature is its sensor-based filter tracking. The filter measures air pressure and particle levels, then sends real-time data to the app. You can check filter life, view indoor and outdoor air quality reports, and get replacement alerts. It also allows you to track multiple filters across different rooms or HVAC systems, making it useful for larger homes or rental properties. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its accurate filter life tracking, helpful air quality insights, and convenient notifications. The app makes maintenance easier by eliminating guesswork and ensuring filters are changed at the right time. It also helps improve HVAC efficiency when used consistently. However, there are some drawbacks. The smart features work only with Filtrete Smart Filters, which are more expensive than regular filters. Some users report occasional Bluetooth or app sync issues, and data accuracy may vary depending on airflow and HVAC configuration. In addition, the app does not integrate deeply with all smart home ecosystems, limiting automation options. In summary, the Filtrete Smart app may be worth using if you want real-time filter tracking, indoor air quality insights, and clear replacement reminders to maintain a healthier home environment. However, if you prefer traditional filters without added cost or do not want sensor-based tracking, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.